We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not showing up on a PC or laptop on Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because perhaps you're trying to do a backup, sync some data, or access some files, and you're unable to. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's full guide, as otherwise you may go and miss the one that will go and solve the problem for you. So you may be in the situation of where it's not showing up in File Explorer or Apple devices when you're trying to go and sync it. It doesn't matter. So for the first fix, what you want to do is you want to come onto the iPhone, go and unplug it like so. Now what you're going to want to do is you want to go and open up the Settings app. In Settings, what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down and find the option for General. And in General, what you then want to do is go and scroll down and you want to find the option for Transfer or Reset iPhone and go and tap there. Don't worry, we aren't be deleting everything. Go down and press Reset, and you want to go and find the option Reset Location and Privacy. Tap that there. You then need to go and enter in your passcode to go and confirm the decision. Enter in your screen time passcode, and we'll then press Reset. Then what you can do is once that goes and completes, you want to try plugging it in again. You should then go and get the Trust This Computer pop-up, and you want to go and press Trust, enter in the passcode to go and trust it, and then hopefully it's going to go and show up on your computer. If you find that it's still not showing up, the next thing you want to try doing is pressing search, and you want to go and type in Device Manager. Click on this here and it should open up. Come down and you want to go and find the option for portable devices. Press the arrow to the left to expand it. If you can see it in here, then you want to go and right click on it and you want to press Update Driver, press Browse My Computer for Drivers, press Select Me Pick from a list and select this one here. Press Next and it should then go and install, and you can then go and press Close. Hopefully it will then go and start appearing. And if you find that it still isn't, what you want to try doing is making sure you're using an official Apple cable. If you're using an unofficial one, then that may be the problem. So what you want to try doing is using a different cable, and hopefully that will then go and resolve the problem. If it still isn't working, then what I recommend you do is you restart both devices, and hopefully now it will go and work. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.